Hello everyone and welcome back. Module 1 Agenda Introduction to Generative AI. We will start by understanding what Generative AI is. Foundations. To grasp Generative AI, we will review the basics of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Recap and deep dive. With these fundamentals, we will revisit Generative AI and explore it in greater detail. ChatGPT demo. Finally, we will see ChatGPT in action and understand why Generative AI is so hyped right now. So, let's get started. What is Generative AI? Generative AI combines generative and artificial intelligence AI, meaning we use AI to generate something new. AI itself is not new. It's used widely in many applications like targeted ads, Google Maps travel estimates, and Tesla's self-driving cars. These are examples of conventional AI systems. Generative AI goes a step further, enabling the generation of new content. For example, ChatGPT can write an email for you, generating text content. DALL-E can create an image of a cat, generating visual content. GitHub Copilot can write code snippets, generative programming content. In all these cases, new content is being produced, not pulled from existing files or documents. This is the essence of Generative AI. Definition of Generative AI. Generative AI expands the capabilities of AI by generating new content. This can include text, images, audio, video, source code, and more. Conventional AI systems focus on data prediction, categorization, and sentiment analysis, which are primarily analytical tasks. In contrast, Generative AI is about creating something new. Recap. To summarize, Generative AI uses AI to generate new content in various forms, producing fresh outputs rather than extracting from existing sources. Next steps. This was a brief introduction to Generative AI. As we progress through the course, we will delve deeper into all aspects of Generative AI. But first, to understand it fully, we need to grasp the basics of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. In the next video, we will explore these foundational concepts. Once we have these fundamentals sorted, we will revisit Generative AI in more depth. Let's move on to the next video. See you there. Thank you.